Hi, my name is Deanna Hart, and I'm going to talk today about growing meat. So, how can we improve? This is a lifelong goal to be a better version of ourselves. So, today I'm going to talk about two different places in my life that I've learned that I need to improve. Those areas are my physical health and my spirituality. So, in my physical health, I've really learned that I need to improve. I started a new job about a year ago, and it's a lot different. I move a lot less. And I've also learned that doing my wedding, planning to wear a wedding dress in white, that I really, really want to look healthy and be healthy. Covey says the essence of renewing a physical dimension is to sharpen the saw, to exercise our bodies on a regular basis in a way that will preserve and enhance our capacity to work and adapt and enjoy. So I've learned this. I used to work at a bartending job and I was constantly moving because I worked at a country club. So we did a lot of events. So I'm constantly in movement. Well, I now work at a desk job and it's a lot different. I don't get as much exercise. And I've really, started to feel like I need to live a healthier lifestyle in order to combat that. So I need to exercise more. I've also learned this. I have a wedding dress that I have to fit into, which I'm really excited about. But I want to look, I want to look healthy in my wedding dress, and I really, want to get my body back to where I wanted it to be and where it used to be. So I think physically I can definitely improve in this way. And they always say that exercise enhances your attitude and your energy levels. Another way that I've learned that I can improve is by my spirituality. So Covey says it draws upon the sources that inspire and uplift you and tie you to the timeless truths of all humanity. So we've been reading a book, a premarital book, and it talks a lot about God and Christianity. And I've always questioned my beliefs before. I've always been someone who always questions everything that I think before I do it. And I've really started to question it, and it talks a lot about religion. And I have learned that what my values are and that I believe a lot of the things that it says. And I think that ties a lot into who I am as a person and how I think that humanity should be. So I look forward to learning more about what I believe, and I hope to continue that. So today I've talked about my growth. I've done this by telling you two different ways in my life that I can improve, which is by my physical health and also by my spirituality. So I'm going to vow to write down my goals every day and work hard to achieve them. I think that setting short-term and long-term goals is really important, and I vow to do that. And I strongly believe that if you write something down and you say them, that it will be accomplished. And I hope that you do the same. Thanks.